Hello there everyone. Today I've got you guys a small video about swapping words in Python. By swapping I mean changing uppercase letter into lowercase letter and vice versa. So let's get started. Let's define a function called swap and also give an input called s inside the function. And let us also define a small or an empty string which will be our output. Now we have to start with every single character inside this s. So for char, let that every single character be char. For char in s, if char dot is lower, then it will be let it be converted to uppercase letter, by which is actually swapping. Uppercase letter char equals char dot upper. Now this converts lowercase letter into uppercase letter if this character satisfies the condition that it is in small letters. If this character satisfies the condition that if it is in lowercase letters. So similarly, now we also have to save this character. So we need to write a equals a plus char. By that it saves this empty string, saves this character, this upper level character. Now what if the given string, what if this character is in lower uppercase letter? Now we have to convert it into lowercase letter. For that we need to give an else statement. Else else character equals char dot lower. Now this converts uppercase letter to lowercase letter, and we also have to save this. For that we need to add it here. Now this is pretty much our code, but at first we have to return this function. Return this function called a. By returning, we have to my bad, I did a small mistake that I returned inside this if loop, but you shall not do that mistake because it will give the wrong output. Now let's print out this function. Let's run this function. Swap now let's see what happens. Now this is our required function. What's wrong with this? Oh no. Oh yes, I forgot a bracket. So now here you can see that every single small letter character is converted to every single lower course character is converted to upper course character and vice versa. So this is the required video.